alaikum everybody. Thank you very much. My name is Hamdani, Sultan Hamdani. I'm the CEO of Maison Consulting. We basically implement Microsoft Dynamics and we have done more than 400 projects across 22 countries. And staying with technology for so long, 25 years in technology, what I believe is that the real challenge in life is not technology itself, it is the adaptation of human beings, how they adapt technology. And this adaptation is very, very uh, difficult for a lot of places. And I think resistance to change is something which is a human dynamic, which will always remain the way it is, and it won't change a lot. But people who are completely resilient and who try to make an effort, they will do the difference. Staying where I am, so much in technology, there's a big myth here, and people ask me every now and then, Abdul Sultan, ye batao, AI will replace our jobs. AI is going to change everything. Yeah, the challenge is 100% real. There is no doubt about it. That AI is definitely going to impact a lot of lives. According to the McKinsey report in 2030, let's say that we will have more than 375 million people who will either be affected by automation or AI or they will have to change their careers. What does that mean? पाकिस्तान की population से भी 12 करोड़ लोग ज़्यादा दुनिया में लोग अगले 5 साल में impact होने वाले हैं. And should we be scared of AI? No. Will AI replace us? Absolutely not. It won't replace you. But somebody who knows AI, that person is definitely going to be replacing you. And we need to make sure that you are that person who embraces AI and make sure that you replace the others who don't use AI. In a very simple format, we need to understand the reality of AI, and we need to understand that the automation and the AI influx in the organization is based on models today. So today AI is just based on model. It will learn from you and then it will tell you what you are supposed to do. But at the same time, you need to understand that AI literacy really matters. I could see a lot of things. I just even heard my introduction. I'm so happy that these guys are using AI already. I could hear the introduction. I can see that they have uh, written it down from the AI. And that punchline that he used in my introduction was also part of my speech, but he took it away. But that's fine. Literacy matters because we need to understand that entrepreneurs who will use AI, employees who will use AI, it's not only be limited to the professionals technology world, because technology world को सबसे ज़्यादा affect हो रहा है. Developers are being replaced, code is being written automatically, developers are becoming more efficient because of AI being used. But AI won't limit itself till here. AI, doctors will be using AI, lawyers will be using AI, and many other branches of life will be using AI. What will AI do? Will it make you a better doctor? No, it will make you a doctor that does his job faster. Will it make you a good architect? No, it will make you an architect that does his job faster. So everything is focused on doing things faster, doing things easy, and I think it is the best thing that Gen Z could get. You guys are growing up in the digital world. वैसे ही I was just having a chat with the attention span वैसे ही काम होता है अपना Gen Z का. They are not focused. They want everything very fast, and based on that, I would like to tell that the best thing about AI that you can learn is that when you embrace AI, it will never replace you because AI can't care. AI is not empathetic. It has no empathy. It does not feel. It does not create. It only creates from the data set it already has. Chat GPT का data set बहुत बड़ा है. Google का data set बहुत बड़ा है. But even if city school tomorrow implements AI, it will be the city school world that they will be able to inquire and work with. Now, when we say that things will become completely faster, we need to understand कि अभी क्या करें. It's like if AI is out there, what should we do? And since my audience is very young, I would just like to tell you, remember just simple 3 or 4 things that will make your life easier. You need to get into courses right now, and I don't even know if I should say this. All this work that has been done is done by students, which is just marvelous. I'm pretty impressed myself. And these students have already, not only planned it, just only the vendors are outsourced the entire theme, the setting, what should be spoken. I can see some students will be performing live as well. So I can see already that AI is being used, but if you're using AI for your homeworks, make sure it doesn't make you dumb. It has to be completely faster. The question is, the, will AI replace you? It's not a dumb question. It's a very serious question. But you need to use AI to make sure you are there. We heard the last speaker, don't lose your individuality, and that is what really, really matters. Few examples just for you to understand is that AI, when used, you will create a lot of things. You will create chatbots, you will create automation, you will create all this. But the one thing that I think that I would leave all the students here with today, and that thought is that AI does not feel, does not create, does not have any feelings. So ethics without AI is going to be a big, big loss for humanity. There should be no, like the introducer said, there should be no progress at the cost of humanity. And that is very important to understand. I mean, like you think that Pakistan, where there are so many farmers, we can create a farm where we can project what the next problem will be. That's something ethical. It's good for the country. It's good for you. It's good for the farmer. But using AI that creates AI, and there is no human sense. And that is something that can be very, very dangerous for all of us. And you are the next generation. I just hope that you understand this very, very nicely. You don't have to be scared of the future. You just need to shape the future. And a classic example of AI will be social media algorithms. They were created for us to be engaged, and they were very successful. But at what cost? Because the engagement has become endless scrolling, which is so many mental health problems have been uh, the source of this AI algorithms. And we just need to make sure that depression, anxiety, all of this happens. In the same way, this model was created engaged with ethics, I think the life would be different. And with that, I just need to tell you that AI is not going to replace humans at all. It is the people who will be embracing AI that will be replacing all the 375 million jobs that I was talking about by 2030 in the McKinsey report. So with this, I just need to leave you with this thought. Don't be scared of AI. Don't be scared of the future. You have the power to shape the future and shape AI. Thank you very much.